Hello Capricorn. Uh, this is your love reading for the month of October 2021, and this is all about your love situation. Okay, so let's shuffle. So let's see what we have for Capricorn for the month of October. Okay, Two of Wands, Magician, Eight of Wands, lots of fire energy here, Aries, Leo and Sagittarius. And also we have Taurus, Virgo and Capricorn. Number 88, we have 28 here, 2, 1, 1, 2, 8. The Justice, Libra. We have two major arcanas and Two of Swords, Six of Swords, and the bottom of the deck we have Knight of Pentacles, Page of Swords. Someone is thinking about you very deeply and also spying on you, like watching your social media and talking about you. And Page of Swords is a card of, I just read about this Page of Swords, and Page of Swords is a card where someone is spying on you or keeping an eye on you and also talking about you and discussing about you. It's an energy which I am picking up here. Okay, so, and like people, tarot readers will also says that it's a page is a kind of immature energy, very immature energy. And Page of Swords is also a type of spreading rumors about you, something, and just misunderstood misunderstood your situation or misunderstood your journey or something like that. Definitely someone is talking about you, talking about your journey, past or your present or current situation. Definitely. Okay, so we have your overall energy. We have Knight of Pentacles. He's watching you from afar and thinking you also. So whoever is watching you or spying on you is obviously thinking of you also and maybe wanted to approach you, because we have two traveling card here, like Six of Swords and this Eight of Wands. Something is definitely coming towards you, Capricorn, from that person. Maybe it's your person, maybe, like Six of Swords and the Eight of Wands. These two cards is clearly telling me here that something is moving towards you very fast, because Eight of Wands is a very fast moving energy, and also it's a card of communication, traveling, and some message, good news. Someone is traveling towards you or coming towards you with this Six of Swords. Six of Swords is a card of moving in a direction. Okay, and it's also a card of moving from something and traveling also. So yeah, with this Eight of Wands and Six of Swords, I'm clearly telling you that someone is coming towards you. Indirectly, directly, you are manifesting this person, because we have Magician also here. Okay, maybe you are waiting for this, because we have Two of Wands here and thinking the energy. Maybe you are thinking about that person very deeply, indirectly manifesting you, manifesting that person, because he or she is coming towards you. and maybe currently their energy is very confusing, so that's why he or she is very slow and very confused. Knight of Pentacles, it's a very slow moving energy, we all know that. If you know about tarot, when this Knight of Pentacles is appearing in your energy, in your overall energy, then this is surely, I am telling you that you are not taking any like any decision regarding this, very slow, or that person is very slow, very thinking energy here. Like we have Two of Swords here, very confusing and thinking, very not sure about anything. Like here I'm not getting any surety here. So Eight of Pentacles and this Two of Swords, very confused, and not even sure about your relationship, what is happening and what is going to happen. There is no surety till now. So Capricorn, I'm seeing this in October. Maybe you will get some clarity from that person. Okay, maybe you will get. So yeah, and we have very just number 1, 2 and 3 here, synchronicity here, and we have number 8. Maybe number 8 is very significant for you. 6 and 2 is also 2 times here, and yes. So let's talk about this Justice. When Justice card is appearing in any reading, the first thing came into in my mind, like definitely something injustice is happened to you, Capricorn. Like you feel that this is not fair, and you are just complaining about that. So you are just complaining about that with your God, with your spirit guide, that why this happened to me, and this is not done, this is not fair, God. So from Justice I am getting that vibe, that you are not happy. What is came out in this spirit. So yeah, Justice will definitely serve to you, Capricorn, definitely, because it's a major arcana, and I read it as a very major energy. Justice, for me, Justice is a very powerful one, and it is from God's side. You can't stop, you can't resist this energy. Okay, so yeah, and you are manifested this, because Magician is in your reading. I think every time I have done so many readings for Capricorn, even personal reading I have done, Magician is always appearing in your reading. I have seen so many times. So maybe Capricorn is a very good manifester. Like every time I say this to every Capricorn, my friend is also Capricorn. So, and you are manifesting this. What you are going through right now, very confusing energy around you, or this person is giving you very confusing energy from, you will definitely receive some type of clarity. Okay, definitely receive some type of clarity, and it is coming into your way. Okay, definitely it is coming into your way, by message, by call, or by that person. Okay, so yeah, now I will pull one card for as an outcome for Capricorn. And you are waiting for this, exactly this Two of Wands. Like you have to you think that it's a time for you to decide, and it's a high time to take that decision about that relationship. That's why you received it, Two of Wands and Justice. It's clarified by Justice. Yeah, definitely maybe you will decide something, or you will take some actions towards that person, which will leads to justice. Okay, that person is also thinking about you, Capricorn. Okay, it's also, he is also thinking about you, and wanted to approach you, because you are manifesting all the time, and they are also manifesting you and thinking about you 24/7. So one card is now Judgment. Oh my god, look at this. Justice and Judgment. Maybe you are thinking that here in this spread I am not getting any negative card, like very big one like Tower and all, but seriously this Justice and Judgment is appearing like maybe in your love situation, or in your family or something like that. You feel that something wrong has happened to you, okay, and definitely Judgment is going to serve you in front of you. This is a angel's wings, and Judgment and Justice is very spiritual and major arcana card. And also this Magician, Capricorn, you are going to receive this in October, definitely. If you want this person in your life, then definitely no one can stop this, not even you or that person, because Judgment is also divine timing. Judgment is also read it as a reconciliation, is a card of reconciliation. Soon you will manifest this, and whatever has happened between the two of you is going to resolve, and Judgment is served, okay, going to serve to you both, okay. At last it's your decision, but yeah, Judgment is going to serve you, and Justice and Judgment, what are you waiting for? That Justice, it will definitely coming into your way, and it came as an outcome and message, so think that it's a big energy here, yeah. And this is a in love reading, this is a reconciliation card, or yeah, it's a definitely yes for you. It is coming into your way very fast. He or she is not going to think more, I think. He's coming. Either he will text you, message you, call you, okay. So yeah, whatever your situation is, don't be sad or impatient about your situation. It will going to resolve in the month of October, because you are manifesting. Just work upon yourself, okay. It will definitely comes to you, Capricorn. So yeah, this is your reading, Capricorn. If you like what I do, please subscribe to my channel and share with your family and friends. Thank you.